We are approaching October 7th,
Yeah,
when the horrible massacre happened in Israel,
yeah.
where young children were murdered, burned, babies in ovens.
That didn't happen. There were no babies in ovens.
Oh, yes,
No, there weren't. That's been refuted even by the Israelis.
there were.
No, there weren't.
There were.
There were no
There were.
babies in ovens. Let's agree that was bad enough without adding stuff to it, okay?
How
Go
do
ahead.
I find compassion for these people,
Which people?
the animals that did that?
The animals that did that. I get your point of view, okay? In your point of view, everything you read actually happened the way you've read it. And then let's take your question. How do we have compassion for these animals? Okay? If I saw the world from the perspective that you see the world from, I would 100% agree with you. But that's not how I see the world. If you do a poll in the United States, based on all the Hollywood movies that people have seen, until very few years ago and even now, and most people will know nothing about what happened to the indigenous people here. Nothing. The genocide, the torture, the rape, the starvation. They know nothing about it. And in some states in the United States, it's illegal to teach it in the schools. Now, do you think the average Jew knows anything about the indigenous people of Palestine? No, just a second. So, these animals that you talk about, the first massacre of Palestinians in Gaza didn't happen last year. Didn't even happen 4 or 5 years ago when they killed hundreds of children with their bombs. It happened in 1956. Let me just a second. In 1956, they massacred 200 civilians. Do you know about it? Do you know about it? You've never heard of it. Of course you haven't heard of it. That's why you can call them animals. Otherwise, you'd see them like human beings like the rest of us.